Hey guys, it's your girl Sambonbon back with another video for today. And for today's video, I thought I would show you guys my IPSY bags from the last 3 months. So basically, since August, September, and October, I've been getting IPSY bags still, but I just haven't made videos about them. Basically, I wanted to make videos of the bags I got, but I kind of just kept putting them to the side, and then they kind of just piled up over the last months because I've just been really busy with school and work. So I thought I would just make a video with me showing all 3 of the bags instead of doing like individual ones, because the month is already passed. So I just thought, you know what, I'm just gonna put it in one video and I'm just gonna show you guys the bags I got from the last 3 months. So let's get into the video right now. So the first bag I'm gonna start with is obviously the August one. This is basically how the bag looked. I really just like this chrome look they did because I feel like it just fits for like summer. What I really like about IPSY is that when they have the bags that they send out every month, they have a theme that goes with it. So I feel like August and like this chrome bag just go together. I don't know why. I can't explain my like thought process behind it, but I just feel like this was just like a nice way to like wrap up summer doing a chrome look. So with this August bag, I actually got like an extra little thing in here. It's a clarifying cleanser for acne control. So that's how it looks right there. I think that's really cool. I know, I'm not trying to say it, Murad. I know Murad is like a pretty good brand when it comes to like doing facial and like skincare routines and stuff like that. So I really like that I just got this cleanser from them, because the last thing I got was like a moisturizer, like an everyday moisturizer, and it's literally perfect. Like it just makes my skin just like glow. So I definitely want to try this out. That was like the extra, you know, like kind of full size thing I got, not inside the bag itself, but like inside the package. So that's really cool. Now let's get into the bag. First thing is first, the future is yours, August 2020. We're doing great, Sam. It's literally like November now. They're about to send me the other bag in like a few weeks. So I'm gonna make another video for that, but that's just gonna be that one bag from November. But I would definitely make a video for that so you guys can see what's inside the November bag. So they have the future is yours. Look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow. It says like glow your own way. And like, I think their theme was kind of like the future is yours a little bit. So like, I think that's why they did like that chrome idea. So that's really cool. All right, so first things first. This is a shadow stick. It's eyeshadow. So this is how it looks. Let me read the brand for you guys. It's Beauty for Real. So this is how it looks. You know, it's an eyeshadow in a stick. So that's very interesting because I don't have anything like that. I'm gonna show you guys like on my arm like how it looks kind of. Ooh. So this is the consistency of it. Let me get up so I can show you guys this. So this is the consistency of it. I think this looks really nice. It looks so shiny and like shimmery. What I like about this is how like shiny and bronzy it is. I think this is like so adorable. And I can definitely see myself wearing this for my next makeup look. So that was the first item. So we're on to the second one. And the second one is AM to PM. It's Lottie London. I believe this is, oh, it's an eyeliner. This is how the packaging looks of it. So it's AM to PM. Lottie London, and it's sunburst, so that's the color sunburst. So let me show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks right here. It's this one. This is the old one. LOL. But this is how it looks right here. I really love how this looks, actually. Like this would be perfect to go with that eyeshadow. I know I took it off, but if you guys remember, it was like a bronzy glitter and this is like a golden glitter. So I think those looks would be really cute together, like using this as the eyeliner and then that other one as the eyeshadow. All right, so the next thing we have is Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts. So it's a body cream. So this is how it looks. I am actually really excited to have this because I have tried like Hemp's like when I'm in the store. I've never bought it myself, but I've been in the store like Ulta and like Body Works and stuff where they have like the bottles of these, and like I'll like take like squirts of the lotion just to see how it smells and feels. And every time I've tried it, it's always been like really nice. And I've been needing a lotion that's small so I can just keep it in my purse anyway. So this is a lucky fella who gets to be in my purse in the dark almost every day. So that's exciting. All right, so we're on to the next one. All right, so next thing is a highlighter. Ooh, highlighter. So the highlighter is from, I believe, Lovecraft Beauty is the brand. So, and it says that the color is Borealis, I believe. It says it like here on the back, Borealis. If I'm not saying it right, you know, then whatever. I'm trying my best, y'all. So let's open it up and see how it looks. Oh, it has this cute little cross sign at the top, or like little decoration. I think that looks really cool. So this is how it looks up here. So let's open it up. So this is how the color looks. I think this is a pretty shimmery color. I really like this bag because everything I've gotten so far has been like shimmery and gold. So I'm like loving that because I love my shimmery golds and neutrals. So I'm gonna have fun with this for sure. I think this is probably a very nice highlighter. All right, so that was everything in my August bag. We went through it already. So now it's time to move on to September. Do you remember? All right, so this is the September bag. This is how it looks. It's multicolor. What I like about this bag, which is very unique to the other ones I've gotten, is this one is actually like a fabric. So it's like actually like a soft like covering on it versus like the other ones always just have like a, like there's no like, I don't know how to explain it, but like this one has like cloth on it and the other ones are just like a different material that's just not cloth. So let's just dig inside right now and see what we can find in the bag. All right, so this is Good Vibes. So this is what the little theme they had going a little bit. Looks like that. So I think that's really cool. This month, radiate positivity. Let's see, back in September, was I radiating positivity? I think. I'm always trying to be positive, but I probably was like freaking out because I just started school. So I was probably like, oh my God, like school all over again. Let's just get into the bag right now. All right, so this is Big Ego by Tarte. So I believe this is a mascara. Oh, yep. Yep, it is. So let me show you guys like the outside of it. It's a mascara by Tarte. It's called Big Ego. There we go. Really nice, like really cute. It's really small, but it's okay. And this is how it looks when you open it. See? Ooh, gotta twist it up. And oh, there we go. Look at that beauty. All right, so the next thing, another highlighter. This is literally Radiant Glow by IPSY Beauty. It's literally another highlighter. This is called Prosecco, like the wine or the champagne. Ooh. I like the name. Very interesting name choice. I give it 10 out of 10. So, oh, this one looks different though. Ooh, this one looks very, very different from the other highlighters I've had. This one's like shaped like completely, it's like shaped like this. And then it has like all that stuff on the front and then like, that's the back. Sorry, I'm like trying not to drop it. Very interesting. All right, so yeah, here we go. Another highlighter. It's like a golden looking color. All right, so the next thing we have is a Verifee. I believe this says Verifee. It's a Verifee 2020 eye cream. So this is how it looks. I really like how this looks, like the packaging. I think it just looks really cute, and I think the green just looks really adorable on the packaging of it. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm willing to give it a try. All right, so last but not least, we have this, I believe it says a George Get Klinger Volcano Mineral Scrub. I'm not sure if that's how you say the name, but that's my way of pronouncing it. So that's basically what it looks like. I usually don't use scrub on like my body that much. I only do it like sometimes because I have like my own like kind of brush thing that exfoliates for me, so I don't really use a scrub. So I don't ever get scrubs, but I am excited to try this because I'm very curious if this scrub makes a difference. I'm pretty excited to try this. Kind of smells weird. What the fuck? It smells just like plastic. It smells just like straight up plastic. We'll see how that one goes. We'll set that one to the side for now. All right, so that was the September bag. Now it's time for the October bag. Ooh. This is how the October one looked. The rest of the bags don't have like any little icon on them. Like the rest of them kind of just said like IPSY on it, and it was just like a little tag. So I really like how this one has like a moon and stars on it. I like this one. I like the front of this one. This one's definitely really cool. I really, really like how this one came out for sure. First things first, the little card they give you, Your Magic. So that's the little theme they were going with. With a pinch of shimmer and a wave of your mascara wand, this month, cast a spell on yourself. I don't really know what they were trying to go with that, but that's good try. First item, okay, ready? Random item. Okay, first item. Oh, so the first item is actually a brush. Look at that. Look at that. It's a little brush with like sparkles on it. I was gonna say, this brush is for blush. So this is how it looks right here. I like how it's green. That's definitely a vibe. The only thing is though, I have a whole set already and none of them are gonna match this. So, but it's cute. I've been using my sponge for my blush, so it's nice that I can actually have a brush now to do that instead of having to, you know, add more colors onto my sponge that I already use for a million other things. So that's gonna be nice. I really like that, and I like how it's green. Definitely really unique, very cute. I like it. All right, so the next thing. Let's open it up. I believe this is eyeshadow. So it's by Illuminati. Oh. I was just making sure I said that right. It says Illuminati. So it's a palette from Illuminati, and that's how it looks. I think this looks really cool because the colors on it are like a rosy color. Honestly, if I opened this earlier, it would have matched with this. I could have, you know, done a makeup look, you know, with my outfit that I have on right now. All right, now it's time for the next thing. All right, so this is another lotion. It's by R Plus Company. Waterfall is the name of it, and this is how it looks. It's a lotion. So now I have another lotion to add to my collection. I don't think it smells like waterfalls, but it smells very, very good. It definitely has like a nature vibe smell to it. So the last product in all of the bags that I've opened is Benefit Gimme Brow. Ooh. So this is a brow gel. I've actually seen this brand a lot, and they are actually a very popular brand. So I'm excited because I know they're really good with like brow products, and I've never bought anything from there. So I'm excited to use this because brow gel is definitely a must. All right, so this is how it looks. Oh my God, this is literally the tiniest thing. So in stores, like in Ulta, they have these, okay? Like they're usually like this big. They literally were just like, you know what? We're just gonna take all of it off and just keep this much. So I'm very excited for this. It's gonna look like mascara because it's a brow gel, but don't get confused, it's not mascara. So this is how it looks. And I'm excited to try it because I feel like having gel over your brows will just make it so much easier to have it on for longer. So like when I go to work and I'm working like 10-hour shifts and stuff, it's really nice to have a gel to hold my brows down so I still look as good as I did when I first got there. All right, well that was exciting. That was the last product. Let me just double check just to make sure. Oh, there's literally one more product in here. Okay, so this is by Tarte. Ooh, another Tarte product. So this is Tarte Tinted Hydrator. Okay, so this is a tinted moisturizer then. So this is the tinted moisturizer right here. This is how it looks. So that's really cool. I have another product by Tarte now. That's exciting. This is like really cool. Kind of smells like clay. Interesting. Yeah, so this is a tinted moisturizer. So that's really cool. I have another one. This is like so tiny though. Literally so small. So my mom gave me my dog Bella. So she's just gonna be in the outro with me. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It's so exciting to finally open these bags with you guys and just share what I've got from IPSY. If you guys want to try it out, just remember it's only $12 a month for all these products. So I think it's really cool, and you know, even if you try it out for like 1 month, it's like not even that expensive or that much of a cost. So I just think, you know, it's worth just trying all these expensive products, because if you're like me, I don't have money to be buying like Tarte products and, you know, all these like IT cosmetics, you know, every 5 seconds. So it's really cool just paying the flat $12 and then getting to try the products. But again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video with me. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, guys. It really helps me out a lot when you guys do that for me. Even commenting below really means so much, so don't forget to do that. As always, I will see you guys for next week's video. Mwah. You want to do it with me, Bella? Ready? Mwah. She's like, girl, get off of me.